Good morning, students. So yesterday I sent you a video on simple past and past perfect. I hope you have gone through it. So today let's do the exercise. Complete the sentences using simple past or past perfect tense. So if you have gone through the video yesterday, simple past and past perfect, these two are the actions happened or took place in the past. Now what is the difference between these two is past perfect tense will have at least two actions in a sentence, in which the first event, we call it as event, the first event happened, we have to write in the past perfect tense. We have to use the structure subject, had, the auxiliary verb and the verb in the third form. We call it as past participle. So remember, past perfect has two events. The first event happened, we have to write in past perfect, and the second event happened, we'll use the simple past. That is the only difference. What if there are more events happened in simple past? If the actions happened one after the other, we use a simple past. That's the only difference. Okay, I think you will feel better when you do this exercise. Let us see here. By the time we arrive at the theater or the cinema, the film already began. Whenever you see the adverbs like already, really, or just, we should always use the past perfect tense. Always remember that. So here already is given, that means which event happened first. There are two actions happened. One is arriving at the theater and the other one is the movie has already started. Which action happened? The first action is the film started and then we arrived. So I have already given a hint that already tells you that you have to use the past perfect tense. So we write it here as had already. Begin is in the V1 form. V3 will be begun. Begin, begin, began and begun. So V1, V2 and V3. So past perfect, we have to use the V3 form. So we have used had already begun. And this is the second event happened. So we use the simple past. We say it as arrived. Now the second one. They already sell that blue dress when I get to the shop. So already again a hint. So we have to use the past perfect. They had already sell, V3 will be sold that blue dress when I, this get will should be in the past tense, that is the V2 form, got to the shop. So first event happened will be the past perfect and the second event will be the simple past. Mom just finished breakfast when I wake up. So again just is an adverb. So we use the past perfect, had just finished breakfast when I, so wake will be, should be in simple past, we use woke. As soon as the play finish, we leave the theater. So first what happened? First action happened was the play finished. So we use finished in the past perfect tense. So we say had finished. We left the theater. Leave in simple past will be left. I start typing those letters before the boss arrived. So first what was the action happened? She started typing. So this one will be in past perfect. I had started typing those letters before the boss arrived. So this is the second event. I not feel so hungry after I eat that roll. So first, what was the action here? First action was eating. He ate the roll, so he did not feel hungry. So this is the first action happened, so we have to use this in the past perfect tense. So had eaten, then this will become the past tense, simple past. But we can see here not and feel, so it is a negative sentence. For negative sentence we use did. We use the form as did. Do, did, done. So I did not feel hungry. So this is in simple past. I only realized that I meet her a few years ago when I see her. So first what happened? He saw the girl. Then only he realized that he met her few years ago. So first action happened was seeing her. So we use this see in the past perfect tense. So had seen. See, saw, seen. Had seen. And this should be in the simple past. I met. The bank already closed when Urvashi leave the office. So had already. So this is the clue here. Had already closed when Urvashi left the office. Now look at the second part, past perfect continuous. Past perfect and past perfect continuous are almost the same, but here continuous indicates that the action happened for some time. It was continued for some time. At the same time, Gopal, the watchman, who had been hiding behind the wall waiting for them, stood up slowly and glared fiercely at Teju. The words had been hiding is in the past perfect continuous form. So the past perfect will be formed with the subject. I have written here subject had been, and verb should be in the ing form. So had been, if it is in past perfect we used only had and V3, but continuous form we have to add been and also verb in ing. We use the past perfect continuous to talk about an action or situation that was happening in the past before another action or before a particular point of time in the past. So continuous we use it when the action happened for some time, was continued for some time before another action started to happen or take place. The past perfect continuous is formed by adding had been plus present participle of verb and ing. Present participle means the V1 form. V1 plus ing. Now look here. Ankit said he had been practicing his singing for the performance that night. So what was he doing? He was singing, he was practicing. So he continued the practice session for some time on that night. So we use the past perfect continuous. Mia said she had been studying all day. So her reading or studying has continued to some point of time in the day. Had been studying. Prachi had been learning French for 3 years when her teacher left for England. So her learning of French happened when for 3 years. Then what happened? Finally, what happened? Her teacher left to another country. So the action here you can see here, or situation that was happening in the past before another action took place. The other action took place here is the teacher left. So that's why she stopped her learning French at this point of time. Now let's do this exercise. Complete the sentences with past perfect or past perfect continuous form from the verbs in the brackets. When Rohan and Sanya arrived, the play start. So when Rohan and Sanya arrived, so you can see here the action already started here and this is in simple past. The second event will be in the should be the past perfect. So had started. Tanmay play football for 2 hours when he was called home for lunch. So this playing of football happened till some point of time, then suddenly the action of calling for lunch happened. So we use the continuous form had been playing. Sheena felt ill because she drank 6 glasses of cold coffee. Here the first action happened was what? she drank 6 glasses, because of which the second event happened is she was ill. So the second event is ill, which is a simple past, and the first event happened is she had drank. It should be in past perfect. My mum worked all day, so she was tired. Here all day indicates that the work continued for some time. So we use the continuous tense, had been working. When I arrived at the train station, I realized I forget my ticket. So here when he arrived at the station and then he realized I had forgotten, the past perfect. Gaurav break his ankle, so he could not play cricket last year. So first the action happened was breaking his ankle, then because of which he couldn't play. This is the second event. So the first event should be in past perfect, had broken. Arav studied French for 3 years when he took the exam. Again, so the action continued for 3 years, had been studying. She waited there for more than an hour when her sister finally arrived. So again, you can see there is a continuous waiting for an hour. So she had been waiting. Okay students, so this is it. I hope you have understood. So go through this once again. If you still want to practice, I think you can take out your old grammar books of last year and you can try the exercises. I'm sure you'll be able to understand. Thank you.